What if I told you that your passion for art could become your dream career? Let me show you how. Hey, I'm Aisha Siddiqua. I'm an artist and also a botanist. Like many of you, I was also grew up passionate about art, but my stream was science. I completed my bachelor's and master's from science stream and became a botanist. And I was very good at it. I love science. All things were going good, but something was missing inside me. Something was missing in my inner self. Whenever I create art, I feel so calm and relaxed. It gives me peace and happiness. It heals me during my tough times. I remember those days when I was in depression, and the one thing that only heals me, that is art. So from that time I started creating art. I started spending time with me and with my art. And I promised myself that I never ever leave art. And now I choose art as a profession, as a career. But society always told me art was not a real career. But I did not stop. I worked on my skill and I turned my passion into my profession. And now I help others to do the same. I started this channel because I know there are lots of aspiring artists just like me, talented, passionate, but unsure if they can make art their life's work or not. So I'm here to tell you, you absolutely can. My mission is to inspire and guide aspiring artists to follow their creative dream and build a beautiful and successful art career. On this channel, you will find step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning portraits, landscape, still life and many more. Mastering different mediums like charcoal, graphite, color pencil, soft pastels, watercolor and many more things. Guidance from basic to advanced techniques, no matter where you are in starting. Practical advice on building a successful and beautiful art career. Turning your passion into independence. So, if you believe in the power of art, so hit that subscribe button. If you are ready to explore yourself as an artist. And remember, the only thing standing between you and your dream is your story. You keep telling yourself with your inner soul. Let's rewrite this story together. Let's make your artistic dream into reality.